Believe it or not, your doors can be expertly fixed within 30 minutes. Let's check it out. At Euro ArchiTrade in Chennai, they present unique pre-hung engineered doors ready to install with hinges and frames. These doors are designed with wall-wrap adjustable frames to fit walls from 80 mm to 260 mm thick, featuring inbuilt soundproofing and adjustable architraves for an ideal fit. Their seamless design, special veneer finish, and each element is crafted for quick installation. And also, Euro ArchiTrade boasts an impressive range of doors and windows, including this massive 16 feet by 8 feet and 22 feet by 8 feet sizes with sleek feather touch panel mechanism. Their extensive collection includes both interior and exterior solutions, featuring the versatile Straton composites made from wood polymer cellulose. This innovative material is ideal for enhancing exteriors with elements like swimming pool decks, outdoor pergolas, boundary fencing, exterior wall cladding, WPC ceiling, plumbing shaft covering, and mechanized roofs, and much more. And also, it has a mind-blowing portfolio for all your complete outdoor solutions. Beyond architectural applications, they cater to all your interior design needs with a variety of decorative and wall highlighter solutions, wooden flooring solutions, soffit panels, doors, and window shutters. What sets them apart is their customization available for every product. Their expansive 14,000 square feet experience center allows you to explore and select products hands-on alongside your designers. About more than 25 years of legacy, they are experts in installation and fitting, offering a 15-year warranty on their products for your peace of mind. This is your one-stop store for all your interior and exterior needs with affordable luxury. Visit Euro ArchiTrade in Chennai today and share this with your architects and interior design friends, and follow me to know what's happening in interior world.